I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
Alright, camera cut off. What's up? It's your girl Shay, and you're watching Glamplified Beauty. Did you miss me? Anyway, in today's video is this look here. Y'all, it was supposed to go simple. I promise y'all, it was supposed to go simple. I know it kind of reminds me of my last look that I did with, I don't know what colors, but it reminds me of that look. But this is the look here that I created, and I use Gerard Cosmetics paparazzi palette. I use some glitter, as y'all can see. But yeah, if y'all my camera cut off, so I had to come on here to Snapchat and record this video. But this is the finished look right here, and I use Gerard Cosmetics paparazzi palette. I use glitter. I used paint for liner, so in case y'all ask me, that's what I use. I did not use NYX Vivid liner because they crack. Hell, this paint cracks, so I'm just going to have to find a new liner. If y'all know any blue liners, let me know, or colored liners, let me know. I have some in mind already, but yeah. Anyway, so this is the look that I came up with for you guys. And y'all can see I put little hearts in my little brow area. But if y'all are new, welcome to my channel, or whatever. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below, as well as the notification, become a part of the, and please just make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can become a part of the gang, the hashtag Glam Dog Gang. If you want shit popping up in here. But anyway, I wanted to show y'all my sweater right quick, because your girl done got it. Look at my sweater, y'all. It says hashtag GS Squad. And that stands for Gerard Cosmetics. So, just because my discount code is Sherry30, so you can get 30% off your purchase from GRWM.com. So make sure y'all check that out. But anyway, I got to go. I love y'all. Like I said before, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe so you can become a part of the hashtag Glam Dog Gang.